Hi there, loves! Para sa mga hindi pinagpala na ilong na katulad ko, this one is really for you. And I really love this one, guys. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Very easy lang to mga loves. Ang gagamitin lang natin ito is contour, concealer, highlighter, powder. Yun lang, very simple steps lang siya. Dito ang ginagamit ko is liquid contour or contour liquid. It's very easy lang, sobrang dali lang, madali lang siyang gawin. And napakabilis lang nito gawin mga loves. And I really love this kasi you know, hindi naman ako pinagpala sa ilong, no? So, kailangan sa contour tayo kakapit. Ayan, no? Sobrang makikita niyo yung result later. Very amazing talaga kung the way how the contour will gonna change your image, as in grabe, sobra. Mapapa-oh kayo talaga. And then concealer. Simple steps lang to mga loves. And ilang makeup lang yung involved. So, hindi siya ganun ka-complicated. Then, let's blend it like that. Blend lang natin. Ako, favorite ko talaga yung yung contouring. O, tingnan nyo. Hindi pa nga tapos, pero form na, diba? And then, blend. You can use brush or beauty blender. And concealer pa rin. Ano lang to? Concealer, contour, concealer, powder, and highlighter. Lagay natin sa gitna ng nilagyan natin, in between ng nilagyan natin ng contour. And then, contour powder. Two kinds of contour yung ginamit ko dito. First is liquid, and then the second one is, ito yung powder. Sa second na application natin, powder na yung gagamitin natin. Then, luminous powder. Or, kung meron kayong face powder, okay lang. Then, blend it well. Kung gusto nyong swak na swak talaga yung pag-contour nyo, guys, pwede nyo namang kapalan. Ako, sobrang light lang. Ayoko yung sobrang halatang-halata. And then, highlighter. Yan na mga loves. Look at that. O, diba? Pag side view. Tingnan nyo pag side view yan. May ilong na ako. Wow! O, diba? Thank you so much mga loves. Always remember, the beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Thank you. Have a great day to all.